Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to draw a rose and learn how to draw rose in easy way. So let's start our video. So guys, we are going to draw rose with S and heart. So first we write S and heart here. तो हम इससे ड्रॉ करेंगे. So first we can draw heart here like this. Then from here draw one circle. After this, draw line, same line here. After this, we can draw one line from here, a curved line, like this. We draw same this line right here, from here. For making this, please use a light pencil. After this, we can draw leaves here, like this. One leaf, a second leaf, and a third. You can make more leaves like this. So let's draw some more leaves here. Now we are drawing petals of rose. Some petals. After this, we can draw leaves. After this, we can draw its stem. Now we are going to draw leaves. Like this. So our Rose rough sketch is complete. Now we are going to color this rose. So guys, I am using Dome's sketch pens to color this. First we can use black sketch pen to complete its outline. If you like this rose, please like to my video and subscribe to my channel. But don't forget to hit bell icon. Like this, complete your rose sketch with outline with black sketch pen. You can use any sketch pen in it. So as you are seeing, our sketch pen So as you all see, our sketch outline is complete. Now we are taking red sketch pen to color it.